In this quick tips video, we're going to download and install and sign in to Teams, Microsoft Teams, on an Android device. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Play Store and search for Teams or Microsoft Teams. It's an app by Microsoft. So there we are, Microsoft Teams. We'll click on that and we'll go ahead and install. And after that finishes installing, then we can go ahead and open the app. And if you've already opened some Microsoft apps or signed into some Microsoft apps on your phone, they may already have some login information here, or you can sign in with another account where you could enter your email and enter your password if it prompts you to. Then you can click through all the initial notifications, read through those, and then you're set up to use Microsoft Teams on your Android device. So that's how to install and sign into Microsoft Teams on an Android.